Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the English class. Prose 3 The Old Man River. In the last class, we have seen about scene 1. In that, Jim went to the roof and started waving the flashlight. He had a hope that someone would come and help them. Do you remember, children? That was the end of scene 1. Today, we are going to see about scene 2, taken place an hour later in the same place, that is Marshall's home. Same group of children were in the living room with the exception of Jim. Sarah was asleep, covered with a blanket. Emmy, Rose, and Betty had 3 candles on the table. Betty tried to read, but she couldn't, and thought of her grandmother, how they lived in olden days with a dim light. No one could sleep. They felt something bumped against the house. Mr. Peter shouted, "Mr. Marshall, were you all right?" This was Tom Peters and Miss Mars, the Red Cross nurse. "We were here in a boat." Then Mr. Peter entered the living room with a lantern, followed by Miss Marsh, Emmy, and Jim. Emmy went to take father's books and mother's jewel case. But Jim said her water and food was more than books and jewels. Mr. Peter asked, "Why were you children all alone?" Emmy started to reply, but suddenly they heard a terrific crash, followed by a cry of pain and a scream. It was Sarah, fell down from the ladder. All rushed. Jim took the first aid box and arranged a place for Sarah to lie down. Mr. Peter said Sarah was scared more than hurt, but hurt her right leg below the knee. Sarah hurt her right leg below the knee. Miss Marsh said her that they would get into the boat and go home, and Sarah would get well soon. Rose stayed with her. Mr. Peter took Betty, Rose, Sarah in the boat. Miss Marsh helped Sarah to keep the legs stiff with pillows, umbrella, and cane. Emmy and Jim stayed at home for Mr. Peter to return. They said they will be all right and said goodbye to all. Emmy and Jim had a cup of coffee, and Jim said, "We had a wide awake, well equipped disaster committee in that town." Emmy said yes, and a Red Cross nurse for emergencies. They both thanked God for the rescue. Both lifted the coffee cups and drank still standing. Thus, we came to the end of this prose, The Old Man River. Let me recapitulate scene 1 and scene 2. Emmy, Betty, Rose, Jim were alone in Marshall's house. Heavy rain scared them. They collected things like water, bedsheets, coats, lights, and food. They were organized by Jim. Jim flashed a light climbing on the roof. Sarah fell down and hurt her leg. Mr. Peter and Miss Marsh came in a boat and rescued them. They thanked God for the rescue. My dear children, you should act bravely in difficult situations, throwing away your fears. So, my dear children, have self-confidence and faith in God, then success will always be yours. Thank you.